Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a Dan Tien breathing exercise, which is a simple but powerful way to activate your lower energy center and enhance your vitality. Dan Tien is a Japanese term refers to the area below your navel, where your life force energy is stored and cultivated. In Chinese it is called Dan Tien and means, field of elixir. Dan Tien or Dan Tien refers to the center of life force energy or qi in the body where life force energy, or qi, is stored and focused. There are three main Dan Tien: lower, middle and upper. They are used for meditation, qigong, martial arts and other practices that aim to increase or balance the energy flow. The lower Dan Tien is the most important one because it is the source of Jing, the essence that creates qi, and Shen, spirit. Dan Tien breathing is a practice of breathing deeply into this area, filling it with fresh oxygen and life force energy, and exhaling any tension or negativity. To do this exercise, find a comfortable place to sit and some time to relax. Let's do it together for a few minutes. Sit with straight back, and relax your shoulders. Place your hands on your lower abdomen, just below your navel. Feel the warmth of your hands on your skin. Close your eyes and focus on your Dan Tien. Inhale gently through your nose and feel your breath go down to your Dan Tien. Your belly should expand as you breathe in. Exhale slowly through your nose or mouth and feel your breath go up and out of your body. Your belly should contract as you breathe out. Inhale slowly through your nose, and imagine that you are drawing air and energy into your Dan Tien. Exhale. Slowly keep some of the breath energy in your Dan Tien. Inhale into your belly. Feel it expand and fill up with light. Exhale. Imagine the energy nourishing your cells and organs. Inhale. Feel it's glowing and pulsing with energy. Exhale. Feel it warm and vibrate in your lower abdomen. Inhale light and life force energy. Exhale. Feel your Dan Tien become more powerful. Inhale energy. Exhale relax. Keep breathing on your pace for a bit more. Repeat this cycle of breathing for as long as you like, or until you feel calm and energized. simple but effective way to balance your energy and improve your health. You can do this exercise anytime you need a boost of vitality, or as a daily practice to maintain your well-being. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more energy healing tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.